Hello, guys. Welcome to Gold Trading Expert. Actually, what do I do before trade gold and analysis gold? Actually, I am a trader of combined technical and fundamental. So before I open a trade on gold, I would like to check some factors. Those are related to gold. Number one, I check economic calendar. I want to check economical conditions. So for that, you can check trading view, economical calendar as well as, but Forex Factory, bit, user friendly surface. So I'll just check on Forex Factory. So the gold's movement fully depend on US dollar because the both are reserve currency. So if the US reports are good, that means it's bad for gold. If the US report is negative, that means it's good for the gold. So I'll just have a look, whatever the US economic condition, uh, especially job market report, manufacturing PMI, CPI, Consumer Price Index. These reports are really important, and of course, the Fed meeting. Of course, the Fed meeting also important for US US dollar. So I'll just have a look on it, and overall, it's just saying that most of the US report, job market reports are positive, though ISM not. That's why maybe just yesterday's CPI report dropped. So the ISM is very important. And of course, job market is also important related to CPI. Even hourly earnings is also important for CPI. I mean, if the consumers earns doesn't increase, that means CPI will drop. So what you see, the last average hourly earning report was April 4, though it beat the beat the forecast, but it as it is like before 1.4. So we cannot tell that the average earning has grown, but it's okay. It came better than expected, but it's not good at all. That's why it just have a negative impact on consumer price index, and consumer prices index is really related to, hiking rate, because it's called information. CPI and core CPI is really inflation. So if the inflation rise, that means central banks are really eager to hike the rate. If the inflation doesn't go up, central bank cannot hike the rate, because consumer, that means how much money consumer can spend. If the consumer cannot spend more money, that means they are not going to hike the interest rate. So what we can see, next Fed meeting, most probably they are not hiking their bank rate, because core CPI is negative. Came worse than before, and CPI was as usual. Okay, they are expected, but not good. So US is not going to hike their bank rate at least for the next month. After that, I check normally CFTC report. That's really a good thing. You can check the traders, position, how they are thinking about it. The last cut report came on third of August, but it's okay as long as the new report doesn't come. So what do you see? The non-commercial, that means bank, has fund, and all types of financial institute. They are actually belongs to non-commercial. They are short position. Two, yeah, 2,73,143 contract are in long position, and short contract is 76,808. But commercial means they are really the big player. They are really the big player. The commercial, even the last flash crash, maybe that happened for the commercial contract. There are large number of contract in commercial. They are in sale mode. 3,52,060 60 633 contract are in sell mode, are very few in buy mode. and non-repeatable. Those traders are trade in those traders are trade in through the broker. Actually, we are in that contract, and most of the traders or trader the broker, their contract is they are buying position in 51,599, and less people are short. I mean, regarding to the cost report, we can see that commercial contracts are especially they are in short mode. Maybe that's why gold dropped a lot. This is one of the reason, and of course, US positive report especially helped it. So in the next, I'll check in the next upcoming report there will become core retail sales. Yeah, if this report come positive, then it will be you know, USD will be a bit stronger than gold. I mean, gold has chance to drop more, but 19th of August, we got FOMC meeting minute. It's also important that we'll get the hints Fed is going to increase their rate or not. But I told you before that Fed fully depends on consumer price index report, especially when they want to hike the rate. If the CPI, I mean, consumer price index is not good, they cannot actually increase their bank rate. So fundamentally, what can I actually understand? It's okay. Actually, showing that commercials people, I mean, contractor, they are shorting, but yeah, and US recent report are good. This is another reason. So what will be happening in the next? Actually, if I will right now, I will use just the fundamental report. Sorry, technical chart. That what actually it shows us. So if you see that most of the time price zone between 1750 to 1760, this price most of the time market was unable to break. Yeah, March 21, April 21. But when April 21 market broke that level, it went up almost 3,000, yeah, almost more than nearly 3,000 pips. But April 21, yeah, market was unable to break below. Even June 21, also market was unable to break below. So we can tell that 1750 to 60 area was really a strong level. I mean, major breakout zone. So in the previous time, it was really hard to break out, and even of course in the present situation, I think that gold won't be able to break this level very soon. But in case, so we will see, we will see market may range bound in this 1 or 2 days or this week. But in case market breaks above 1760, market may go till 1790 to 1880. It's most probably. And there we got a descending channel, and market most of the time market tried to break it out, and it started from 1918 and 19, yep. And the last time also market was unable to break it down. So this trend line, of course, will play as a good resistance and a strong level for rebound. So what we can say, if we see the fair, I mean next US reports are positive, and of course, you have to think about the corona pandemic. Gold is a safe haven. So if you see that really, gold demand, of course, will increase if the coronavirus pandemic goes up, because investors are really scared to invest on other products rather than gold and USD JPY, as it's a safe haven. So I'll suggest you, of course, get in touch with the COVID news. If you see that in USA or in the Europe, COVID cases goes rise, of course, gold will take the benefit. Then, of course, market won't actually, respect this trend line. Market may go up, but I don't think so. Right now, pandemic is a bit controlled, so I don't think market will break 1800 and will reach to 1830. But I don't think about it. But I think if the pandemic is okay and economics reports are supporting US right now, we have checked. And actually, just one more thing only supporting that for shorting gold is only court report and a commercial contract. So I don't think they will carry long time. So what can we do? We'll just wait for. I'm telling you again, 1750 is really hard to break out. If in case it breaks, it may test to 1790 to 180. Then I hope that from that level, market will drop to again this level. And finally, of course, it will test, the strongest support. Uh, the strongest support is 1680 to 1660. So I can say, of course, every time you get in touch with all the reports, all the news, and of course just combine your chart with the fundamental report. So fundamentally, I technically we are getting that 1970 to 1980 is a perfect point for sell. Then our stop loss will be very short. That should be perfect. And if you see the market breaks above 1760, then you can buy for the small time. I mean, if you buy 1760, then of course I will suggest you to close your trade within 1790 to 80. Then wait for any technical reversal. I mean bearish reversal if you find it, and of course I will suggest you to sell it. And of course first target 1960 and second take profit 172325, and finally we can hold out it till 1683. So yeah, actually this is the method actually how to combine technical and fundamental report to get the final trade, and how long it will stay, how long will take, where will be stop loss and how will be take profit. Of course, you should consider with the technical analysis. Hope this analysis helped you to take a decision. If you have any comments, if you want to know something more, then you can comments in my section. Thank you and thanks a lot.